All right, problem number 20. All right, so this is a problem. This is a tough one. So you got to take it step by step. All right? Okay? So we know that RSVT is parallel. Okay? We also wrote that VR is parallel to ST. Okay, so go ahead and write that one too. Okay. I don't think it matters for this problem, but I just want that to be written. So let's go through and let's list some things we have. We know that we're looking for VRS. So yeah, it is going to matter. Because we're looking for this one. VRS. That's the one we're looking for. That's this guy right here. VRS. Okay? To find VRS, we need to use the other information, right? So, in purple, I'm going to use RST. Okay? So RST is this guy. RST. And that's going to be 32 plus 8x. Okay? So that's RST. That's this guy right here. Okay?
Wait, what's that?
32 plus 8x. Okay? Then I'm going to use blue. Okay? And blue is going to be STU. ST and U. That means I'm looking at this angle right here. ST and U. Okay? So this angle. Okay? And that's labeled 2x plus 74. Okay? 2x plus 74. So the first thing we got to do is figure out what's going on. And if we take a look, we have two parallel lines, right? This one. This one. And then we have a transversal, right? This guy right here.
Negative.
Okay? So we should be able to go, okay, is purple and blue, are they congruent? Are they 180? Are they 90? What are they? So are they supplementary, complementary, or are they congruent? Which one are they? So do they alternate, first of all? Complementary? So what does complementary mean? Complementary means that they are 90. That they add to be 90. What does supplementary mean? Supplementary means that they are 180 degrees. What's congruent? Congruent means that they are equal. Okay? Now, are they alternating? Do they alternate from side to side on the transversal?
Yeah.
Yes. Are they both interior? Are they both exterior? Or are they one exterior, one interior? So they're both interior and they alternate. So what would we call that?
Alternating interior angles.
Alternating interior angles. So we know that they're alternating interior angles. And alternating interior angles, if it's parallel, right? If parallel, then alternating interior angles are what? That should be in your notes, right?
What did you say?
Okay. Alternating interior angles, alternating exterior angles, and corresponding angles are all congruent if the lines are parallel. Okay? What are the supplementary ones? Same side interior, same side exterior, right? Okay. Vertical angles are also congruent, right? Okay. So you should have that in your notes. Alternating interior angles, alternating exterior angles, corresponding angles, vertical angles. These are all congruent. Okay? The other thing in your notes is same side exterior, same side interior, right? These are what? Supplementary. That way you know which one you're dealing with. Are they going to be adding the 180? Right? Like the one on your other test, right? Chapter 3 test before we went to break. Are they adding the 180? Or are they congruent? What are these? Congruent. Okay, that's a big difference, right? We need to know how to solve. Okay? So that means that the purple one, 32 plus 8x, right, is equal to the blue one, which is 2x plus 74, right? And why? Why are they equal? Come on, why? Why are they congruent? That's right, alternating interior angles. Okay? Because they're alternating interior angles. Okay? And RS is parallel to VT, and VR is parallel to ST. That's given. So actually, that should be your number 1, and this should be your number 2. Okay? So they gave you this, and from this we were able to say, okay, then these are congruent. Okay? Alright, then what? Now it's all back to normal. Right? It's right back to what we normally do. What do we do? Move the lowest x. How? Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Right? So what do we get?
6x.
We get 32 plus 6x equals 74, and that's, what did we do?
Subtraction, property of equality.
That's right. Okay? Now what?
We minus 32 from 74.
Minus 32. Okay? So 6x is equal to, looks like 2 and 4, so 42. Okay? What did we do there?
Subtraction, property of equality.
Subtraction property of equality. Okay. So now what?
Divide by 6.
Divide by 6. And this should be x is equal to 7. Why?
Division, property of equality.
Division property of equality. Okay. All right. What else? Is that it? No, because we got to know something. Right? What are we looking for?
VRS.
VRS. This guy, right? What does this guy have to do with these guys?
So,
Right? Think about this, okay? Think about this. Since these are parallel, right? Since these are parallel, right? Then this becomes a transversal, correct? That becomes a transversal. All right. Think about these two angles. What are they? They are same side interior, right?
Yeah.
Because now this is interior. And these are on the same side of the transversal. So they're both on the same side of the transversal. So we're talking about same side interior, which means they are what?
Supplementary.
Supplementary. Well, if these are supplementary, right? Then what does that mean?
They're 180.
Yes. So that means that angle PRS plus 32 plus 8x is equal to what? What's it equal to? 180. Yeah. Why? Why are they 180? Because they're supplementary. Why are they supplementary?
Same side interior.
Same side. Good. Same side interior. Same side interior angles. Okay? Believe me, I know this is hard. That's why it's on your final. But this will be on that state test. I guarantee you. They're not going to give you some easy problem. Okay? They throw at you tough situations. You've got to be able to use what you learned in everything you learned. Okay? All right? Okay, so do we know what x is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we plug it in?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically you're saying that the angle, right? The angle BRS plus 32 plus 8x equals 180. And what's x? 7. And what do we call this?
Substitution.
Substitution. This ain't that bad, right? This part's not bad. Knowing that it's 180, knowing that the other part was congruent, that's the hard part, right? But once you see it, you're like, hey, okay. Right? It's not that bad. Okay? Just think. This is small, this is big, right? Just think, okay, those are different, they're 180. This is small, those are the same. That's all we're really doing. That's it. That's all you're really doing. You're saying, hey, these are the same, these are 180. Okay? Once we know that they're parallel, that's all you're really doing. You're looking at the size. Okay? Keep it simple. Okay? Then if you can come up with the reasons, you put it. Okay? Because the key is doing all this. Okay? Alright. Alright, so now what do we do?
Simplify.
Simplify. What's 8 times 7?
56.
56. What's 56 plus 32?
88.
So the angle BRS plus 88 is equal to 180. Does that make sense? And that's simplification, okay? Okay? Now what do you do? Subtract. Okay? So you get the angle BRS is equal to 180 minus 88. How much is that? Well, 180 minus 80 is 100, right? 100 minus 8 is 92. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay? So it's 92. But why?
Subtraction, property of equality.
That's it. Subtraction, property of equality. Right? Just your same algebra. Is that the angle we were looking for? Is that what we want?
Yeah.
Are we done? Yeah. Okay? That's it. It's a tough problem, yeah? If you love someone, it's worth the work. Right? Okay? Love yourself. Right? And work your butt off.